Today we're taking a look at the Shokz OpenFit Air TWS earbuds that provide great sound quality on top of extreme levels of comfort and safety. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Shokz and they've sent me the OpenFit Air for free to showcase to you guys. So founded in 2011, Shokz is one of the leading brands when it comes to open-ear wireless headphones, and I've become a huge fan of them due to their comfortable design as well as the extra safety. I was a big fan of the OpenFit earbuds, and the OpenFit Air have improved on the design, and they've been able to keep the comfort and an even more secure fit. So the OpenFit Air earbuds just slide onto your ear and they sit above the ear canal, and you can see on the earbuds we've got a curved rectangular shape with a small speaker grill at the bottom, and it gently rests against your ear. The new dual bevel design curves inwards towards the ear for a more snug fit, and the earbuds are also incredibly light, with one coming in at just 8.7 grams. You can barely feel them attached to your ear, but it still stays in place remarkably well, and I can shake my head around and even turn upside down without the earbuds moving. And the new nickel titanium memory alloy has a soft silicone finish that keeps them fitting well and feel comfy. Without the OpenFit Air going into your ears, there's no worry about what ear tips to use, and I've been doing a lot of running lately, which I find the OpenFit Airs work really well. We have plenty of in-ear headphones with transparency modes that allow you to hear the outside world around you while listening to your music, but the problem is everything just sounds a bit off this way, and I find some things sound much larger than they actually are. But with the OpenFit Air, we've got the benefit of it not blocking our ear canal at all, meaning you hear the outside sounds exactly the same as you would without the earbuds on at all. They also feature the direct pitch technology, and this is able to reduce the sound leakage while still maintaining great audio quality. When it comes to the sound quality, these are the best open earbuds that I've used so far. The OpenFit Air have an 18x11mm ultralight composite diaphragm. They're using their patented low-frequency enhancement algorithm OpenBass Air to deliver deeper bass with more clarity, and we've got dynamic range control to adjust the EQ in real time and deliver a rich and natural listening experience. Now the result is deeper bass, some clean mids and some crisp highs that sound great across all genres. Now, as you'd expect with TWS earbuds, we've also got the ability to take calls from mobile phones, and I had no problems taking calls from these. The person on the other end is nice and clear, and thanks to the microphones with 4 mic noise cancellation, the other person was able to hear me clearly without any distractions from my surroundings. Connection has always been stable, and I've never had any disconnects, and that's hardly a surprise as the Shokz OpenFit Air use Bluetooth 5.2, so that gives you up to 10 meters of wireless range. And their IP54 water resistance is great if you want to take them for a run in the rain, and their small size and lightweight allows you to use them anywhere for any activity. Now we've also got touch buttons on each earbud, and you can use them to answer calls, play pause or hang up calls, and we can also switch between next and previous tracks. And if you download the Shokz app on your mobile phone, you can customize the double tap or hold functions to your liking, and you can even enable voice assistant. Now the app also gives us a range of different equalizer modes to pick from, including standard, vocal, bass boost and treble boost. We get up to 28 hours of listening time with the charging case, and each full charge gives you up to 6 hours of listening time, and even when you do run out of battery, a 10-minute charge in the case provides around 2 hours of battery life for each earbud. And the case is a black matte plastic case which easily fits in your pocket. We've got a USB-C port on the back along with an LED indicator on the front, and it just lets us know the status. If you're after some new headphones and you want something that sounds great, it's comfortable to wear, and it also keeps you safe, then I would highly recommend checking out the Shokz OpenFit Air. They sound great across all genres, and they're really just a pleasure to listen to. And the only people I wouldn't recommend them for is people that want huge amount of bass pounding in their ear, because you're just not going to get that from the open style design. But for those who like a balanced sound, however, they're crisp, clear and clean, and while other headphones have come with passive noise cancellation, I personally don't like using that mode due to the weird sounds. With the OpenFit Air, you really can hear everything around you. At normal volumes, I can hear what everyone is saying around me and still listen to my music fine. At max volumes, I find it hard to talk to people, but I can still hear the sounds around me. But best of all, the direct pitch technology makes sure everyone can't hear your music either. Now they're available in black, white and pink, and of course I've placed a link down in the description below where you can go ahead and get them from the Shokz website, and they're launching at £119, which is a great price given the audio quality and added safety over other products. And for those of you watching at home on a TV, you can just scan the QR code here. But if you're in the market for open design earbuds, then I highly recommend checking them out. And of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.